Hello everyone, today we see the pigment system. In all natural photosynthetic systems, pigment molecules are bound to proteins forming pigment protein complexes called pigment system or photosystem. The pigment system have two components. First is photochemical reaction center and second is antenna complex. Photochemical reaction center carries out photochemical reaction in all oxygenic photosynthetic organisms. The reaction center contains the special pair of chlorophyll A molecules associated with specific proteins that participate in photochemical reactions. Antenna complex consists of a number of distinct pigment protein complexes known as light harvesting complexes. In higher plants, each light harvesting complexes consist of various pigment molecules, that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B and carotenoids bound to proteins. The antenna complex captures light energy and feeds it to the reaction center by a process called resonance energy transfer. The size of antenna complex varies considerably in different organisms. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.